time, then I am Shreya and I make videos on fashion, lifestyle and much more. Today's video is one of the most exciting and one of the happiest moment which I've come across, and which I think that with the joint venture, with the joint love and support, we have reached together this milestone. And today's video is about the appreciation post. My channel got monetized. Yes guys, I am super duper happy, super thrilled to announce that my channel got monetized, and it would have not been possible without many of you who have been my well-wisher, who have been supporting me, who have been encouraging me, and blah blah, the list is on and on. So I started my YouTube channel in 2020 during the lockdown, when everything was going haywire. I thought that why not start making videos, because I had been thinking about making videos since like a longest time. And to be honest, I was never confident enough to be in front of the camera. I mean, just to like sit and talk with you guys. So it took me quite like 1-2 months to incorporate with the fact that I am talking in front of the camera. And in the beginning, I didn't receive much of the to and fro reciprocation, but gradually that became on and off and to and fro, and now it's like an ongoing process. I receive so much love and appreciation. I have been seeing DMs, comments, posts, shares, stories in my Instagram and everywhere. It's like filled. Like whenever I open my Instagram, it's filled with notifications, so much love and support. Very recently, I think that all of you might know that I had done a binge watch giveaway. So in my binge watch, I was very skeptical of whether anyone would be interested to participate, but there were so many participants. Few left because they had some other commitments, few left because they were pretty sure that they would not be able to participate or given so much love and support as much as needed. So they said beforehand, which is cool, which is fine, perfect. You're into, like when you're entering something, you ought to be giving 110% of yours, so then it would make a difference. So many of them came, many of them approached, and many of them are still approaching me. I don't know why, but obviously my current giveaway is still up on my channel. You can go and participate. I will link it somewhere on the screen, so definitely you guys can go and participate. I will mention it in the description box down below as well. So in my binge watch giveaway, me and Rani Di, of course you guys would know who is Rani Di by this time. She is a fairy godmother, I would say, like a term. And special thanks to Linz, who had been playing my videos on and off. The people who had been helping me throughout and helped me a lot in reaching my milestone. I promised to be with you guys since forever, because I discussed it in the group as well that whether I should keep the group since like forever, because we could discuss about anything and everything. So the names are as such: Aisha, Hansika, Mona Agarwal, it's Hansika Singh, Mona Agarwal, Rajanya Bhakat, Sayam Khan, Sandhya Bharti, Seema Kumari, Shoaib ka big fan, and Sudesh K. Nain. Few of the names are of their parents, because they have their parents' Instagram IDs, but these are the people who have been helping me throughout, on and off. Not to forget, if you haven't checked out my Di's channel yet, it's Sam Rani's Lifestyle, it's Runa Rani, and you can also definitely go ahead and check Linz's channel. Also, it's 100% Linz. So I will mention both the links in my description box down below. You guys can definitely go ahead and check that out, because these two people have been there with me since like from the very first beginning. After a few months of my YouTube, I was thinking that I'm not getting much of appreciation or much of exposure, so I should stop making videos, because that was the point where I had reached already. But taking me out of that whole phase and promising me and bringing in so much of positivity all around, it's of course it has to be that is why I call her my fairy godmother. So we recently went live on Instagram to announce the news and to celebrate. I know that it's like a haywire situation in India going on right now, so I decided that why not bring in you people in live and talk to you guys and make it a little better for the night maybe. So we went on live. If you guys haven't checked out the live yet, you guys can definitely go ahead to my Instagram account and check the live. It's up in my account, and if you haven't followed me on Instagram yet, please do go ahead and follow, because I post my recent updates and everything over there. And it is one of the rules of my giveaway. If you are still participating and if you want to participate, I will mention it on the screen. So I would really like to mention few of the things that all of you girls who have been participating, who have been loving me and supporting me, this is the time where I need your love and support the utmost, because I would really love to love you guys to continue to spread the amount of love and positivity. I think you know what I mean, because I have already mentioned in the group. And if you are new here, you can definitely go ahead and binge watch my videos, and then in some way you have to be very active on my channel, because in my giveaway I am hosting 2 winners or maybe 1 mystery bag winner. So the mystery bag winner is completely dependent on how active you are, how you are cooperating with the post, how you are engaging enough. So it depends on everything of that sort. So please do ahead and be creative with your engaging post. And one more thing is that we will be announcing the giveaway, binge watch giveaway winners pretty soon, so please stay tuned for that as well. Now you all will be seeing ads on my videos, so it is a pretty humble request to all of you guys that please don't skip the ads, let the ads be, because that is how I think that the minimalist thing which I could get in return from you guys is that. So that is the least I can ask from you guys, so please don't skip the ads. And stay tuned to my channel, new and exciting things and many more beautiful things coming up on my channel. It is related to skincare, lifestyle, beauty and everything which you will love. I'm pretty sure you will love. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and spread the love and positivity. Till then, stay safe and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.